The new international airport in Navi Mumbai and Godrej. Yes, जब भी हम गोदरेज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो एक प्रीमियमनेस आ जाती है. Godrej has a township of 145 acres in Navi Mumbai, in Panvel. So you can imagine the kind of township they must have built. यहाँ पे golf course है. They have a golf course inside the township. सामने फिल्म सिटी बन रही है और यहाँ पे ही आपके सराउंडिंग में सारे बड़े बड़े डेवलपर्स हैं जैसे हीरा नंदानी, you have Adani, you have Vadva, and there are a lot of big universities coming up because the Maharashtra government has signed an MOU with a lot of big universities. So you will have an education hub as well. Navi Mumbai is what Bandra was in 1990s. 40 to 50% residences is already been delivered. उन्होंने already बहुत सारे towers की possession दे दी है, लोग यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं. There are brands here. Mumbai 3.0 is a very hot location not only in Mumbai, Maharashtra but all over India. अगर आपने दिल्ली NCR का boom देखा है, so this is 10 times bigger than that. Airport is only 20 minutes from the location. So सिर्फ 20 मिनट की दूरी पर airport है. 30th September is when the airport is going to be inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Western line में connectivity दी गई है. So महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का टारगेट ये है कि हमारा जो स्टेट है उसको $1 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी बनाना है एंड उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए उन्होंने कनेक्टिविटी पे बहुत ध्यान रखा है. जो वो रिंग रोड बना रहे हैं, अलीबाग को पनवेल से कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वेस्टर्न मुंबई को नवी मुंबई से कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग एंड इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन रियल फास्ट. सो ईदर यू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रोथ और यू सिट ऑन द साइड लाइन. द डिसीजन इज योर्स. नवी मुंबई, Mumbai 3.0 is the next hotspot in Mumbai. It is 18,000 per square feet. This is a pre-launch, so you have an opportunity to get the best pricing. क्योंकि जब तक वो building बनेगी, you know what the prices will be because airport भी start हो जाएगा. The experts are saying कि 30% price rise होगा after the opening of the international airport in Navi Mumbai. Godrej has been NRI's favorite developer because there is a trust. And they don't even have to come and see the property. They just invest and they get their returns. So it is a proven brand. So 180 years of history. And that is the reason we have associated with Godrej. If you want to be a part of this development, give us a call. The registrations have started. My name is Raj from Red Onion Homes and you have a great day. Thank you.